Hi everyone, welcome to My Max Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progression from your 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, which is chapter number 5 in your textbook. I will start with exercise 5.3 in page number 112 in your textbook. Exercise 5.3, first problem, first subdivision. So what we need to find is find the sum of the APs, which means we need to find the sum of this AP, which is 2, 7, 12, etc. for 10 terms. For 10 terms. So we have to find the sum of this arithmetic progression up to 10 terms. So which means we should find S10. S10 denotes the sum of first 10 terms. Right? So we have to find S10. S10 is question mark. So solution is, now what is our Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Now here we need to find the sum of first 10 terms. So n is 10. So if you put, so we need to find S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So we need to find this, right? So which means we need to find the value of a and d and then substitute here. So from the AP, what is a? A is the first term. So from the AP, a is the first term 2 and the common difference d is a2 minus a1. That is equal to a2 is 7. 7 minus a1. A1 is 2, which gives you 5. So your first term is 2. Your common difference is 5. Now we know a and d. We need to substitute in this formula. So your S10 becomes, S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is 5, this will get cancelled, you get 2a, 2 into a is 2, plus 10 minus 1 is 9, into d is 5, right? So in this I am substituting a as 2 and d as 5, in this to get the S10. So what is S10? Sum is equal to 5 into 2 times 2 is 4, 9 times 5 is 45, so we get 5 into 49, that is your S10, right? So 5 into 49 is 245, that is your S10. Sum of first n terms is 245. Fine. Now let's go to the next one, second subdivision on the first problem. Second one, the AP is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, dot to 12 terms. So we should find the sum of up to 12 terms for this AP. This is the AP, right? What we have to find? We have to find S12. Sum of the APs. So for this AP, you have to find the sum of 12 terms, which means we should find S12. S12 denotes the sum of first 12 terms. Now again, what is our Sn formula? Sn formula is this. So our formula Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Since we don't know the last term, so we cannot use the other formula where Sn is equal to n by 2 into, so we have other formulas. I'll write all the formulas here. Our Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and our Sn other formula is n by 2 into a plus an, or your Sn can be written as n by 2 into a plus l, where here your an and l means the last term, an is the nth term, which if you assume the an as the last term, then an and l are equal. Fine. So now here we don't know the last term. If you know the last term an or l, then we can use the second or the third formula here. This is the first formula, second formula, third formula. So since we don't know the last term, we will go for the first formula, which is this. Now here we know n is 12. We have to find S12. So n is 12. We should find a and d. If you know a and d, we can substitute in this and we can find the value of this. So a is the first term, right? So a is the first term. First term is a is equal to minus 37. That is the first term. And your d, common difference is a2 minus a1. There is a formula for the common difference d. That is equal to a2. a2 is minus 33. Minus a1 is minus 37. So that gives you minus 33 plus 37, which is 4, plus 4. So your d is 4. So therefore your D is 4. Now we have got A as minus 37 and D as 4. Now let's take this formula Sn. Let's substitute S12. So S12 will be for this. Our S12 will be, if I substitute N as 12 here, so I'll get 12 by 2 into 2A, 2 into A is minus 37 or minus 37 plus N minus 1, 12 minus 1 into D is 4, right, into D. So that gives you 12 by 2 is 6, then 2 times minus 37 is minus 74, then 4 times 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 4s are 44. So you get 6 times minus 30, so which gives you minus 180. So that is your S12. The sum of first 12 terms is minus 180, right? That is the answer for the second part of your first problem. Now the third one, first problem, third subdivision. The AP is, so AP is given as 0.6, 1.7, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, up to 100 terms. 100 terms we have to find the sum of up to 100 terms. So n is 100, right? When they say 100 terms, which means n is 100. This is not an. This is not the nth term. It denotes the number of terms, right? So now what we have to find? We have to find the sum of first 100 terms, which means we should find S100. That is equal to question. Now solution. Solution again, Sn is what? Sn is equal to the sum of first n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So again we need to find a and d, and then n we know, n is 100. So n is 100. If you want, I can write that here. We can write it here. N is 100, and a is the first term, which is 0.6. This is your a, and your d is a2 minus a1. And what is a2? a2 is 1.7 minus 0.6. A2, which is 1.7 minus a1. A1 is 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. So that is your common difference. Now let's substitute n, a and d. D is, so I can write here, d is 1.1. So we can substitute d here, n, a and d here. So you get S100 equal to 100 by 2. So n is 100. So I'm substituting wherever n is there, I'm putting 100, and wherever a is there, I'm going to put 0.6. Right? So 2 times 0.6 plus n minus 1, n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. So that gives you 100 by 2 is 50 into 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. Right? So that gives you 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. Yes? 11 nines are 99, carry 9, 11 nines are 99 plus 9 is 108. So you get 108.9. 108.9. So this is 108.9. Now if we add both 1.2 plus, so 1.2 and then 108.9. If you add these, 11 carry 1, 8, 9, 10 carry 1, 1, half. So that becomes 50 into 110.1. So that is same as 5 into 1101. That will be equal to 5505. That is your S100. The sum of first 100 terms is 5505. 5505. Right? 5505. So that is the sum of first 100 terms. Now the fourth problem under the first subdivision. All of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will erase this. So we are going to do the fourth subdivision under the first problem. Right? So what is that? That is first fourth problem, which is we have to find the sum of 1 by 15, 1 by 12. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, 2 11 terms. We have to find the sum up to 11 terms. So which means we have to find S11. S11 is question mark, that we have to find. So solution. So solution is, let's write what is our Sn. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So we have to find n. N is 11. So n is 11. And we have to find a. A is the first term. So a is 1 by 15. This is the first term. And your d is a2 minus a1. So we are finding n, a and d so that we can substitute in this and then find the value of S11, which is the sum of first 11 terms. So a2 minus a1. a2 is 1 by 12 minus a1 is 1 by 15. So that gives you, if you take the LCM, so LCM becomes 60, right? So 12 5s are and 15 4s are 60. So you get 1 by 60. 1 by 60, 60. So that is your common difference d. So your d is 1 by 60. So d is 1 by 60. Now let's substitute all the values in Sn. So n is 11. We have to find S11. Sum of first 11 terms. Sum of first 11 terms. So S11 will be equal to n by 2. So 11 by 2. Wherever n is there, I am putting 11. Wherever a is there, we are going to put 1 by 15 and d is 1 by 60 in this formula. So 2 into a is 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1 into d is 1 by 60. So that gives you 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15 plus this is 10 by 60. So they get cancelled, you get 1 by 6. This is 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 by 60. Then 10 and 6, 60 gets cancelled, you get 1 by 6. So finally what we have is, we have 11 by 2. Then we have to add these two, which is 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. So again let's take the LCM. LCM between 15 and 6 is 30. So 15 times 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 plus 6 times 5 is 30. So 1 times 5 is 5. So we get 11 by 2 into, so this gives you 9 by 30. So 9 by 30 can be cancelled. This will become 3. This is 10. So finally we get 33 by 20. So what is the answer? 33 by 20, which is our S11. So sum of first 11 terms is equal to 33 by 20. Right? Sum of 11 terms is 33 by 20. Sum of first 11 terms. So this is the answer. Now let's go to the next one, which is the second problem. Let me erase this side. So second problem, what we have to find the sum of the given below. Find the sum of the terms given below. We need to find the sum of them. Right? So again it is coming under AP. So we will say it is AP. So 7, first problem is 7, 10, 1 by 2, 14, some of the series. Okay, it's a series. So I'll write that series. So this is 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 84. Now we should find the sum of this series. We call this as series because you see plus. When you have comma, you call it as an arithmetic progression. If you have plus, you call it as an arithmetic series. This is an arithmetic series because if you see the common difference between this and this, you'll get the common difference as 3.5. 3 1 by 2 is the common difference. So it's an AP. So now we have to find the sum of these. Right? These many number of terms. Now what is our formula for finding the sum? So solution, we have to find the sum of this. So we will call this as Sn equal to this 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot plus 84. Right? Now to find the sum of this, and what is our sum of first n terms formula? That is n by 2 into, now here if you observe, we know the first term and the last term. Last term is 84. We know that. So we can use any one of the formula. Right? So we can say n by 2 into a plus an. a plus an. So here your n we don't know, n we have to find, n is question mark, we have to find, and a is the first term which is 7 and an is 84. An is 84. So once we know n, then we can substitute here and find the value of Sn, right? Because we know a is 7, this is 84, we don't know n, we have to find n. Now how do we find n? Number of terms in this AP. So this is called as an, the last term, we call it as an, right? So our an is 84, right? And let's try to find what is d also. So let's try to keep what is the common difference. Common difference is what? a2 minus a1. So a2 minus a1, which is 10 1 by 2 minus 7, which is 3 1 by 2. If you do the fraction, subtraction, you'll get 3 1 by 2. Or I'll do that and show you. That's fine. So 10 1 by 2 means 23 by 2 minus 7. That will be 23 minus 14 by 2, which is 9 by 2. Fine. So 9 by 2, no, 23 minus 14, sorry, it's not, 7 2s are 14. This is 22 plus 1, 23 by 2 minus, no, 21 by 2. What am I writing? Sorry, 21 by 2, right? 20 plus 1, 21 by 2, this becomes 7 by 2. So your d is 7 by 2. Fine. So we have got now d. Let's find what is n. Without finding n, we can't substitute here. So n is what? An is 84. So an is formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 84. A plus, that is the any general term of an AP, right? So which means, see here if you observe, this is the last term, 84. Here what they have given is n, 11 terms. It is n. This is not n. This is an. They have not said here 84 terms. If they say 84 terms, then n, this becomes n, not an. But here the last term is mentioned as 84. So which means an is 84. From there we have to find n. And what is a? A is 7. So 7 plus n we have to find. So n minus 1 into d. D is 7 by 2 equal to 84. From this we should find what is n, right? So 7 goes to the other side. So you get n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7, right? It becomes 84 minus 7. Okay, now, so we need to find the n. So which means n minus 2, n minus 1 is equal to, or n minus 2 into 7 by 2 is equal to 77. So you get n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 7 by 2 goes to the other side, it becomes 2 by 7. It becomes 2 by 7. So we can cancel 7 and 77 11 times. So n minus 1 equal to 22. 11 times 2 is 22. So n becomes 22 plus 1. N is 23. So there are 23 terms in this AP. Now we know n is 23. After finding n is 23, we need to substitute the n here and find the value of S23. So which means so first we need to find how many terms are there. So that we know how many terms we need to add. We have to find the sum of how many terms. So first we have to find n, which we have found. Now we have to find S23. So what is S23? S23 is equal to 23 by 2 n by 2 into a plus an. A is 7 plus an is 84, right? So because we know the last term, the only thing that we did not know is n. For that only we are finding n. To find n, we should know d. So we found d. Then we found n. Now what do we get? We get 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is 91. Right? You get 23 times 91. So which gives you, right? So what is 23 times 91? So 91 into 23. Right? 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 9 is 27, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18. So adding will give you 3, 9, 10, carry 1 and then 2. So you get 2093 by 2, right? So if you divide and convert 2093, if you divide by 2, because we want to write it in a mixed fraction, because the question is given in terms of mixed fraction, right? So if you do that, you get 2 1 times, so 2 0, then 0, so 0, so 9 comes down, 2 4s are 8, then 1 13, 6 times 12, which is 1, so it can be written as 1046 1 by 2, so that is your S23. So sum of 23 terms, so sum of this series is 1046 1 by 2, 1046 1 by 2. Fine, all of you can take it. So let's check the next problem. The next problem is, again you have to find the sum of the given arithmetic series. So second, so this is second first, right? So second is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dot plus 10. We have to find the sum of these terms. So solution is, let's assume this as Sn. So Sn is equal to this 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dot plus 10. Now again we know A, so we know the last term, so we will again use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So Sn will be equal to n by 2, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Fine. So now what we have is, we have to find A. A is the first term, so A is 34, first term, then An is 10, An is 10, the last term is An, which we call it as An, which is 10. Now we should find n. If you know n, then we can substitute these two in this, and we can substitute for n and find the value of Sn. To find n, we will use this, right? Again, let's keep the d also ready. Common difference d is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 32 minus A1. A1 is 34. You get minus 2. So your d is minus 2. Right? A2 minus A1. This is A2, this is A1. So now our An is 10. From this we have to find n. We have taken the 10 as the last term, which is nth term. From there we have to find n. Once we know n, then we'll know how many terms are there in this series. So we'll be able to find S of that many terms. So we have to find n now. So A plus n minus 1 into d, that is your An, that is equal to 10, and A is 34 plus n minus 1, right? So that we don't know, n minus 1 into d is minus 2 equal to 10. Fine. Now, so 34, which is A, plus n minus 1 into minus 2, if you multiply minus 2 into n is minus 2 and minus 2 into plus 1 is plus 2 equal to 10. So 34 plus 2 is 36. So 2n plus 36 equal to 10. So your minus 2n becomes 10 minus 36, and minus 2n becomes minus 26. Right? So I'll write it here. So n becomes minus 36 by minus 26 by minus 2. So your n is 13. So the number of terms here is, we have 13 terms. We have 13 terms in this AP. Now we know n. Let's find Sn. So Sn is what? So why we are going for this formula, n by 2 into A plus An, instead of the first formula? Why are we going for this formula? Both are same. Because we know the last term. Last term An, or this is also called as L or An. Since we know the last term, we can use the second or third formula. We don't have to use the first formula. Even if you use the first formula, you will get the answer. That's fine. So your now Sn. So we have to find 13 now. N is 13. So S13. So S13 equal to n by 2, 13 by 2 into A plus An. A is 34 plus An. An is 10. An is 10. So n by 2 into A plus An. N is 13. Right? So that is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. and 2 and 44 gets cancelled, you'll get 22, right? If you cancel them, you get 22. So you get 13 times 22. So 13 times 22 is 13 times 2 is 26. 6 carry 2, 26, 28. So your sum of first 13 terms, or sum of these is 286. 286. Fine. Now the third problem, in second problem, third subdivision. So that is, where is this? So what is the given arithmetic series is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dot 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 plus minus 230, right? So we have to find the sum of this series, right? Arithmetic series. So solution is Sn is this. Sn is minus 5. We call this as sum of first n terms. We don't know n. We have to find that n plus dot 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 plus minus 230. So we'll write what is a. So we'll use the formula Sn is n by 2 into a plus an. Right. So and n is what? N we don't know. We have to find n. A is minus 5. First term. A is the first term, which is minus 5. And our an is the last term, minus 230. Right. And let's try to find our d. D is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 8 minus minus 5. Or A1 is minus 5. So this is minus A2 minus A1. So that is equal to minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. Fine. So now we got this as minus 3, which is D. Now let's find n. N we can find n from this, because an is minus 230. Nth term is minus 230 and we know a and d. So we'll write here. So an is minus 230. So from this we can find n, because an is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to minus 230. Right? And a is minus 5. So minus 5 plus n minus 1. We don't know n. N is n minus 1 and d is minus 3 equal to minus 230. So we get minus 5. Then minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3 equal to minus 230. Now minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 equal to minus 230. So minus 3n is equal to minus 230 plus 2, because minus 2 go to the other side, becomes plus 2. You get 228 negative minus 3n. So n becomes minus 228 by minus 3. So it becomes plus, minus minus is plus, so 76. Right? So n is 76. So there are 76 terms are there in this AP. 76 terms are there. Now we should find S76. Now what is our S76? Let's do it here. So our S76 is the S76 equal to n by 2, which means 76 by 2 into a plus an. A is minus 5 plus an. An is minus 230 plus minus 230. So that becomes 76 by 2 is 38 into minus 235. So 38 into minus 235. That multiply, that becomes minus of, so 235 times 38. Right? So if you multiply this, 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 4s are 24, 28, 2, 16, 18, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 9, 10, carry 1, 6, 7. So you get 0, 3, 9, 8. Fine. So your answer is minus 8930. That is your sum of 76 terms. Minus 8, 9, 3 and 0. Right? So 8, 9, 3, 0 minus negative. So this is the sum of these terms. So if you sum up all these, you get this. Fine. So I will stop the video here. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Thank you.